Hi, I'm Ron Barris, half of the Healthy Home Dream Team, and I'm going to show you how to put vinegar in your rinse cycle. My favorite non-toxic antimicrobial fabric softener is distilled vinegar. It's the absolute best. And why is that important? Because many traditional fabric softeners use all sorts of chemicals in the combination of their product that are detrimental to our health. For example, some have chloroform, which are carcinogens and they're hazardous wastes recognized by the EPA, to phthalates that come from the perfumes which affect our reproductive system. Well, we don't have to use those. We have a more cost-effective, better solution for you with the vinegar. For an average load of laundry, you're going to use a 1/4 cup of white vinegar per load. It can go up to a 1/2 cup if it's a larger load. You're going to want to use the dispenser. It's going to release it during the rinse cycle. And the detergent actually goes around the perimeter with the clothes. Very important. Here's a bonus tip for you. Vinegar is great at taking away soap residue. You can actually clean the washing machine with just the vinegar. So don't put the clothes in it. And you also put a full cup under a hot load and let it run for the full cycle. And it gets rid of that residue that builds up over time.